put up a truck there, bigger truck there, another one there, things there, shelves, lounge, tea making facilities over there somewhere. Upstairs with a
So we've had the truck parked down here at the Little Fox all summer. We've been really lucky to have this spot so Tim could work on it all through the first lockdown and everything. It's absolutely deserted here now. This is one day before the second lockdown. So the first order of the day is that we're actually going to move it finally. Now it's coming into winter, into our new barn. So I think Tim's a little bit nervous because it hasn't been driven for quite a while, even though he's been working on it.
not connect the battery properly. See if that works a bit better. Good. Oh, missed that sound. Sounds so cool. Yeah, I'd really love to thank Steve for his help and kind of assistance, or allowing us to keep the truck here during lockdown, which was really difficult, and allowed us, or me, to come up here and do a load of work on it in that time. And it's been here ever since, and thanks to him for allowing it to stay here. I believe it's become part of the furniture almost, and like a landmark to it. But thanks, Steve. Hopefully we'll have a couple of drinks when it all, all this situation is better. Yeah, it was really good fun. Yeah, it was exciting. The noise is amazing. It sounds so good, but it's really bumpy. Creaking. But yeah, it's really cool. Love it.
Alright, do you need a cup of tea before you bring the truck in?
Yeah, a cup of tea. Let's get a cup of tea.
So this is our new place. Hopefully we're going to be here for a year or two, and this is where new magics is going to happen, and finally we are able to start on our new big project.
New big project.
Which we will be introducing very soon.
Yeah, soon, and I suppose because we've got a barn, it's a bit of a giveaway that it shall be coming into this space. So it's not a massive boat or
not this time.
an aeroplane or anything, but you'll just have to wait and see. Not very long, I suppose, because this is a film, and then it'll just be onto the film.
Oh, it's Wednesday now, and we're getting a very special delivery on Saturday. Hopefully it's a good delivery. We haven't actually seen it yet.
Yeah.
So yeah, you once bought a boat from a guy in a bar in Ireland, and now you've bought something from a guy off eBay. It's the modern way.
Yeah. Anyway, yes.
We've seen pictures.
Well, we're on our way to our workshop because we're getting a special delivery, which you'll see what it is in a minute.
We'll see what it is in a minute.
Yeah, we'll see as well. Just a little tiny bit nervous, excited indeed, and yeah, a little bit I don't know, apprehensive, butterflies. But what a beautiful morning. This is a bit early for us as well. This is like the middle of the night. It's like 9 o'clock. It's just a waiting game now then. It's due for about 10 o'clock, and it's about, it's only about 9:15, I think. 9:15, so we've got potentially 45 minutes of like
high this morning. Yeah, anyway, we are a bit sort of, I've got a really dry throat. Can I have some tea?
Yeah. That's all of it. You had all the tea. Carry on waiting there. Good. Good.
So we're just waiting for the lorry to arrive now. I think he got slightly lost, so we're standing out on the road. We should be arriving any minute. So our big man truck has arrived on the back of a really big man truck. and I don't know what's happening, but I think that they might have to unload our little big man truck onto the road, and we might possibly have to then drive it into the barn, so I'm glad I don't have to get involved with any of this.
Got a light. Cool. Wow. Wow. It's a big old truck, isn't it? I don't want to look too much in case there's lots of stuff I've got to fix or whatever. But so this is my this is the kitchen area. This is the bedroom. Just here. Let me go down into the lounge. Oh yeah, this is the little lounge here. Very good. It's a big old truck. So this is a, what do they call it? Like it's an air-filled fire crash tender, or it was. So it was on an airfield. If you had a plane crash, this would be the thing that would shoot out, and it would like have a foam cannon. It used to be on the roof here, and it would be spray your foam from your big tanks that were all in the back here, and so there'd be a little platform, so two people could stand up here and go and put out Concord when it's on fire. That's what it was. Back in the day. Got a little bit of work.
You going for your first drive?
cleared. Have you been for a drive inside? Cool.
Like to get out.
Just jump. Yeah.
Do you want to show how it's really done there?
What, getting in and out?
Yeah.
Yeah, you step just here, like that somewhere, and you go like that. And to get in, you go. Like that.
Sure.
This is it! New project! New project, which will be a... What did you say it's going to be the world's greatest camper?
The world's greatest motorhome or apocalypse mobile.
On a budget! Hey! Let the bleeding knuckles commence.